if you want to speak English, you must to master this one verb. Verb to be. To be. This verb helps you to talk about who you are, when you feel, and where you are. So it's most important verb. You must mastering in every term, in every past. Okay? Let me give you a simple example for present simple. Present simple. Okay? So the present simple and the present simple, I am tired. I am tired. You are strong. You are strong. I am at the gym. I am at the gym. Okay? So you use it to describe reality. That's present simple. You use it to describe reality, present simple. Okay? So let's go to the past simple. Past simple. So the past simple is yesterday I was tired. Yesterday I was tired. Last year I was confused. Last year I was confused. Okay? So that's a past simple. Past simple. Okay? So let's go on. Let's go to future. In future you say I will be better tomorrow. I will be better tomorrow. I will be disciplined. I will be disciplined. Okay? Now we go to the present perfect. Present perfect. Present perfect. I have been consistent. I have been consistent. Okay? And the next one, I have been patient. I have been patient. I have been patient. Okay? And now master to be. And you can talk about your life. You can talk about your feeling. You can talk about your most thing, bro. Master to be is most important. Master the verb to be. Subscribe if you want next verb. I will do it for sure. I will do it for sure, bro. Okay? Like I say, every step counts. Stay strong. Bye-bye.